Hello everyone, this is Ann. Are you a workaholic looking to balance life, or young professional looking for new perspective? There's a book, Die with Zero by Bill Perkins, that I recently read 6 months ago, and it kind of hit home for me, and I'd like to share it with you. The main takeaway for this book talk about working so hard and saving all the time and not living life. So for example, how many times you've been told that you need to work hard to save for your retirement? How many people have lectured you, including your parents, about this is the responsible way for you to live it to save? What if they're all wrong? What if by doing what everyone else is doing, you're actually wasting your life? In this particular book, it will show you everything that you've been told about money and life satisfaction is wrong. You will discover how to maximize your time on this earth and how to spend your money in a way that brings joy and happiness to you and the people you love. Please don't wait another 30 years to check off your bucket list, because time is so valuable. You could accomplish so much more money, but you can never recapture the time you lost. The activities is that you want to do in that bucket list was much easier to accomplish when you're 30 or 40. It's a lot harder when you reach 60 or 70 years old. You won't enjoy those activities as much. So the point I'm trying to make is that go out and live your life, save and work hard, save enough for your retirement, but don't work too much and make it all about money. I understand some of you may have kids and then want to save a fortune for them, but remember, do they gonna remember you more on the loving and kindness that you give them to have the experience of life, take them on that trips that create a long-lasting relationship and bonding time with them, instead of leaving them $1 million? They don't remember much of you. So time is so valuable. Don't wait until the day you lay on your bed rest and regret that you could have do things differently. Because my friend, I just learned recently, money comes and money goes. God just take it back just like this. So enjoy the money while you have it and build memory and experience life to the fullest. I hope you enjoy the book the way I did. Those are the key takeaways for me. Let me know your comment, what you learned from the book that I missed, or if you enjoy it, please click the like button and have a great day.